Good morning children. Welcome you back in our math session. Children, today we are going to start new chapter, that is fraction. Okay? When an object is divided into a number of equal parts, each equal part is called a fraction. Okay? See here children, I have a circle. Okay, when I divide this circle in two equal parts, okay, see here, there is a circle and I divide this circle in two equal parts. Okay, see, this is a part, one part, and this is one part. Okay, when this circle is divided into two equal parts, each part is called 1/2. This is a whole circle and half part, this half and this half is called, this half is called 1/2. Okay, see, in this picture there are two parts. Okay, both parts are same. Now this is half part, and see here children, we write this half like as, okay, whole part means 1 and 1 of two parts. Okay, so this part is half. This is called 1/2. Okay, children. Now, if I fold this circle in equal 4 parts. Yes, see here. Now, this circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, and if I shaded one part of this 4 equal parts, now tell me children, what is the fraction? Yes, see, total number of parts are 4 and one part is shaded. So, this 1/4, this fraction is called 1/4. 1/4. Okay, and we write this fraction like this here, 1/4. Okay, children. Now you know this. This is a horizontal line, and above the horizontal line there is a number, and below the horizontal line there is also number. Okay, and this upside number or above number we called it numerator. Okay, as you learn in 3rd grade, this one is called numerator, or the above of this line, slipping line, the number is called numerator, and below of the line we called it denominator. Okay, children, denominator. Now it's called fraction, 1/4, 1/2. Okay, if I shade here another part, see, this 2 part, again here is a 3rd part of this circle. Now tell me the shaded part The fraction of shaded part is called, total number of parts are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And shaded parts, how many? 1, 2 and 3. So the fraction is become, see, total number of parts are 4 and shaded parts 3. Okay. So the fraction is 3/4. Okay children. And we write it 3/4. This is the fraction. And see, this object or this circle is divided into a number of equal parts. And each part, this is called a fraction. If we take one part out of 4, so we called it 1/4. Fraction is 1/4. If we take 2 parts, means 2/4. And 2/4 means what? 1/2. Okay. This 1/2. If we take 3 part out of 4, the fraction is 3/4. Okay. See, this 3/4. And when we take a whole part, means whole object, means one object. Okay children. Now you know about the fraction. Children, see here. Here are 5 leaves. Okay. And from the 5 leaves, 3 leaves are green and 2 leaves are dry. Now, what is the fraction of green leaves? So, we have to write here fraction of green leaves. Okay. Total number of leaves are 5. So, we have to write 5 in denominator. And how many leaves are green? 1, 2, 3. So, fraction of green leaves are 3/5. How to write this? In word 3/5. Okay. Fraction of green leaves 3/5. Now children, fraction of dry leaves. Yes. How many leaves are dry? 1 and 2. Okay. So fraction of dry leaves are, total number of leaves are 5 and dry leaves are 2. So fraction of dry leaves is 2/5. And we write this fraction in word as 2/5. Okay children. Now you understand how to write the fraction. Okay. Now here in this example, 3 leaves are green. So 3/5 of 5. Okay. 3/5 of 5 means total number of leaves are 5, and from that 3/5 of 5 means 3/5 of means multiply by 5. So here we have to cut this 5 and this 5. Okay, because this 5 is in numerator and this 5 is in denominator. So we can cut this and it's left 3. So 3/5 of 5 is equal to 3. Now tell me how many green leaves are here? 3. Okay, out of 5. Now dry leaves. 2/5 of 5 is equal to 2/5 of 5 means 2 upon 5 multiply by 5. because total number of leaves are 5. So when we cut this 5 and this 5, we get 2 leaves, 2 dry leaves. Okay, means 2/5 of 5 is equal to 2. Children, let's recall some examples here. Color 1/2 of hats blue. See, total number of hats are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from this 10 we have to color half. Now you know half means out of 10, half hats means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 1/2. Okay. Now here color 1/5 of the leaves green. 1/5. See here, total number of leaves are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now out of 20 we have to color 1/5. Now see here, 1/5 of 20 is equal to 1/5 into 20. Okay, so we have to find out what is 1/5. Okay, so 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. So 1/5 is equal to 4. So 4 leaves you have to color green. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay children, total number of leaves are 20 and from 20 we have to color 1/5. So 1/5 of 20 is equal to 4. Okay, now here fill in the blanks. 1/2 of 18 is, now you know 1/2 of 18 means 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. So 1/2 of 18 is 9. Then 1/3 of 27 is 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. Okay, so here we come 9. Now 1/4 of 32. So 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32. So here now 1/5 of 40 you have to find out. Okay children. Now here in third question, identify the figures in which 1/4 portion is shaded. In those figures, color the remaining portion red. Okay, see here in this circle how many total parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from 8 part, 2 parts are shaded. So total number of parts are 8 and 2 are shaded. Means 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Means in this figure 1/4 portion is shaded. Okay, so you have to color remaining portion red. Now here in B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means total number of parts are 8 and 2 are shaded. Means yes, here is also 1/4 part is shaded. So you have to color remaining portion with red crayon or red color. Now here in this triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. So it is not 1/4. So don't color here. Okay. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, 1 part is shaded. Means 1/8 part. So it is not equal to 1/4. So don't color it. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, here in this picture Total number of parts are 8 and 2 parts are shaded. So 2/8 means 1. 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8 means 1/4. Okay. So you have to color this remaining part in red color. Okay. Now here question number 4. Match the following. One has been done for you. Here are 3 cupcakes. Okay. And one is colorful. Okay. So total number of cups 3 and 1. So fraction is 1/3. Okay. Now here ice cream. 5 ice cream, 3 colored. So fraction is 3/5. So you have to matching with 3/5 and 3/5 means this one. Okay. Then here are 5 balloons. One balloon is colored means 1/5. So fraction is 1/5 and we write it in 1/5. Okay. See here 3 out of 3, 2 are shaded or colored. So 2/3. This is 2/3 and we write it in word 2/3. Okay children. Now here is a question. Anita finished 1/4 of her homework assignment having 12 questions. How many questions had she answered? See here children. Total number of questions are 12 and Anita finished 1/4. So 1/4 of 12 is equal to 1/4 into 12 is equal to 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. So how many questions she answered? 3 questions. Okay, 3 questions she answered. Children, I hope now you know what is the fraction and how to write the fraction in number and how to write the fraction in word and what is numerator and what is denominator. Thank you.